Hello, I'm recording. Well, obviously, I'm recording. You're watching a recording. It is October 9th, 2020 at 9:35 a.m. And we are in room 413 at Liberty High School. This is Project Lead the Way Engineering, Introduction to Engineering Design. Caden told me to do this video without rehearsal. So if it fails miserably, it's my boy Caden. But anyway, all you guys here, close your laptops, please, and look at my big screen. I'm going to try to teach. I know it's very unusual. It's unsettling. It gives me anxiety as well. So close all your laptops, please, Bowden and Zach and Cole and all these other kids. So let me do some adjustment here. Okay, close all your laptops and look at my big screen. I made this part yesterday. I just picked it out of the assignment 1.2.3, and I made it with all the skills that I have now that I acquired like a minute before I made it. And so here it is, and the next piece of it is to make a multi-view. If you already know this, just humor me and just pretend like what I'm telling you is relevant. So this object that I just made, I need to make a new thing. And the new thing is called a drawing, and it's from design because it's from the thing here. And at this point, I really wasn't sure what to do because it's like, oh, it got all gray all of a sudden. And then I realized, oh, over here, you have to give some information in order for it to do the next step. And probably the most important thing here is inches. Am I on inches right now? Yeah. Okay, they said yes. Okay, so I guess, okay, I'll do inches. And so I get a sheet that looks like this, and then this thing that's the actual part that I have, and that's the front view of the part. I get to choose if I want a different one. So in isometric, or I'm sorry, in multi-view, I got an isometric up on the in the upper right. I get a top view in the upper left. I get a front view in the lower left, and then I get a side view in the lower right. Now, currently, this thing that I'm hanging on to is the front view, so I want to stick it right there. And then I guess I don't know. Do we click OK? All right, so there it is. There's my object. However, I already know that the sheet size is not right. So let me see. Can I go to this? Is there sheet? Is that sheet size, dudes? Is that sheet size? Yeah. So I'm going to change it. In the assignment, it says A. So I'm going to change. Does that say A, 8.5 by 11? And then OK. All right, that looks better, I guess. I don't know. It looks better. Okay, now, and I can edit this information. Actually, it was smart enough. The program was smart enough to call it the same thing that my original part was called. And now I need to, the multi-view portion of this, I guess I need to go views. Is that what that says? Views? Views? Is there, I can't even see what that says. Base view? Projected view. There we go. So I'm going to take that and then go here and then go there and then go. It wasn't that like simple? Do I like press enter or check or something? Enter. Oh, isn't that beautiful? There is, yes. And so thank you, Kindred. So this is that's the object that I made, and then here's the multi-view that goes with it. See, I didn't have to do that. The computer made the multi-view for me. However, there's a few things that aren't quite right here. First of all, the isometric is not supposed to be black and white, and it's not supposed to be see-through. If you see all these little dashed lines, those are supposed to be hidden. The dashed lines in the multi-view are good. Dashed lines just show a feature of the part that you could not ordinarily see from that view. But over here, I think I can right-click, I think. Is there like an edit view, something, edit view? Did something happen? No, do I need to do it again? Oh, okay, okay, good. All right, thank you, Kindred. So this view cannot be, well, it can be, but our policy is to not leave it black and white, not leave it see-through, which is exactly what it is here. So there's these other little boxes, maybe that one. Oh yeah, that's it. So it actually looks like the true three-dimensional isometric in the color that it was given in the first place. So do I close that? Okay, very, very nice. I've got an isometric multi-view. It titled everything for me. I'm going to go take a screenshot, new, and I'm doing that. I guess I save it. I'm saving it as, are we ID? We are ID, right? ID 123? ID 133? ID, there we go. I want to call it that. IED step, I don't know what to call it. I'm using the wrong keyboard. Okay, IED 1.2.3. I'm going to say second. I can't see from here. I'm like 50 feet from the screen. Second part multi-view. And hopefully Bowden can tell me if I spelled any of that correctly. And so now I have that particular screenshot. You make similar screenshots of your work and insert it into your CamScan document before you submit. I guess that's a nice little mini lesson. You probably already knew how to do all that, but at least now I have a recording of it. Yes. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Open up your laptops and get back to work, please. And I'll see you guys. I'm pointing at you. I'll see you guys, I guess, later. Oh, yeah, Tuesday, of course. Oh.